Going out to dance in the building. Let's go.
Integrity, always will bring the best of me. 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 Integrity, aiding towards my destiny. So believe I was born to do this, so I keep going hard till they can't refuse it. Aim high, so I make improvements every year on the rise. Now I'm making movements. If they hate, I'm a name inflate the work race. So bait, how this face can never make cake. I'm on the paper chase, I can't wait. Got debts and bills that I must erase. Raise the bar, can't be delayed. Obstacles in my way, so I'm taking aim. See my piece in the change that I had to make. Now it's time to invade as I rise to fame. Integrity is testing me. Watch how it brings the best of me. Integrity, always will bring 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 the best of me. Integrity, potentially is blessing me. See my mind's on making peak. More green I can eat when it's time to feed. I never challenge to wrestle, I'm hot as a kettle. I'm raising the levels, I'm past one to medal. Believe me, it's special, the journey I pedaled. I felt like a rebel, I'm starting to settle. Integrity, I'm aiming to be investing G's. I'm a force that can't be stopped. I never start in a war that can't be dropped. I'm taking it higher, my swagger is fly. I'm full of desire, I've gone through the wire. I'm patiently waiting, I'm constantly stating I'm unique and hating, determined to make it. Integrity, always will bring the best of me. 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 Integrity.